So guys, in this video we are going to check out how the DNA is been extracted from any plant material. So let us get into the video.
For this experiment we need a lemon, knife, 2 clean test tube and test tube holder, detergent, any detergent you can use, and we need chilled alcohol. Okay, you have to keep it prior in the fridge so that it gets chilled. We'll cut a piece of lemon. Already one piece I already cut it and kept it. So you can remove the juice of lemon in a clean test tube.
Yeah, we remove the seeds and take the juice only,
yeah.
Right? Yeah.
You need only the juice. It's very easy to take out juice from lemon, so we are using lemon here. You can use orange, papaya, spinach, anything, whatever is available to you. Now guys, you can see lemon juice is ready with us, but it is highly concentrated, so we'll dilute it first. Okay, so for that we require distilled water. We have already collected the juice from the lemon and we will pour distilled water, equal amount of distilled water. Okay, so now our solution is ready. In this solution we'll add detergent. Okay, few drops of detergent you have to add and you have to shake it well. Shake it nicely so that
Guys, you know the detergent, is actually able to react with cell membrane. Cell membrane is fat. Detergent will work with the cell membrane, form micelles and break down the membrane. So now we are trying to break the cell membrane so that the material, even nuclear membrane also will be broken when we treat it with detergent. That's why we are using detergent in this experiment.
So now after 5 minutes, okay, we'll just take the sample in the another test tubes to avoid the bubbles, the soap formation. Okay, so slowly you'll pour in the next test tube. Okay, this much amount you can take. And now the next step, very important step, is we have to put alcohol in it, chilled one. Okay, the next step is pouring the alcohol in the test tube. So you can see here I have taken chilled alcohol. Okay, and the very important step is you don't have to directly pour the alcohol in the test tube. Okay, from the side of the corner, slowly you will pour. Just tilt the test tube little and then pour it. Guys, clearly you can see the layer, 2 layers are formed. Yes, this is chilled alcohol and this is the sample. I'll pour it little more to make it more visible. Yes, now it is clearly visible and you can see some DNA like white color cloth is appearing in the sample.
So now you can see on the top something is floating, guys. So that floating stuff is what the DNA which is being separated from the cells. So that stuff we are supposed to pull out by using a brush or something, the process called spooling, and then keep it on the slide for watching.
So now the next step is spooling out the white cloth. Okay, you can see on my brush.
Yes.
Thus we will place it on our slide. Okay, gently. So guys, our slide is ready. You can see the white cloth.
Yes.
So now the last step is observing the slide under microscope. Okay, so you can observe it under microscope.
Once clipped, we are going to see the DNA through the microscope. Okay guys.